This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your Vivo T4X. Make sure the system is updated and permissions are allowed. Once done, open Circle immediately. Either long press the back gesture area or tap the Circle quick access icon in the navigation bar. You need to grant camera, location, and storage permissions so Circle can scan and index content. This is why it asks up front. If permission prompts appear, accept them now. Otherwise, Circle will be limited and won't return full search results. Next, capture what you want to search. Position the camera, steady your hand, and choose 1x or 2x zoom to get clear detail. Then tap the search icon. Circle offers text recognition, image match, and voice search. Pick the mode that fits. Use the built-in filters to narrow results, for example, web versus local files or apps and contacts. This matters because filtering reduces noise and speeds up useful matches. If results are vague, reframe the subject and try again. Finally, review the results and take action. Tap a hit to copy recognized text, open the suggested app, or follow a link. Save or share useful items or add them to favorites so Circle remembers them. If you get poor matches, troubleshoot by improving lighting, cleaning the lens, or enabling higher permissions. Circle depends on clarity and access. Also, clear cache or restart Circle if it freezes. That resets temporary issues and usually restores normal search behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.